Hey guys, we're doing the team random now for the 3 box break. It's 6:05, 26 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yoink. The teams now. Going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Random is complete. And the list. Take that, put it there. Okay. Philip Tran, Knicks, Jay Doney, Thunder, Diz, Magic, Cannon, Spurs, Ashton, Raptors, Jason Duncan, Pistons, Deegan, Pacers, Philip Tran, Wizards, Diz, Hornets, Matus, Wolves, Air Bucks, Nick Powell, Suns, Don Smith, Warriors, Liam Strutt, Bulls, Albie Heat, Don Kings, Alex Stewart, Nets, Liam Strutt, Jazz, Matt White, Rockets, Palmisano, Sixers, Matt White, Cavs, Jeff Hughes, Lakers, Guy Bell, Blazers, Carvoso, Matty, Hawks, Alex Stewart, Clippers, Jay Doney, Nuggets, Nick Watson, Celtics, Carvoso, Pelicans, Daniel with the Mavericks, and Michael Mizzy with the Grizz. And that is the team list.